Hello children, a warm welcome to our English class and a very good morning to you all. I'm glad to say that every one of you have understood the connectors concept. Today let us learn about possessiveness, possessive adjectives. What are these possessive adjectives? You know what is a possessiveness, right? Possessiveness means where something belongs to someone. We are so possessive towards our things. Means we claim our ownership that the particular thing is ours, right? You all know what is an adjective. Adjective means it describes more about the nouns. It gives us more information about the noun. Here, possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belongingness of something to someone. This possessive adjective tells us that something belongs to someone. For example, my car is parked outside. Whose car? My car. It's not somebody's car, right? I'm telling that it's my car. So the word my will become your possessive adjective. His cat is very cute. What is the noun here? Cat. So we are talking about the cat. Whose cat? His cat. His cat is very cute. So we are saying that that cat belongs to somebody. His cat is very cute. So the word his will become your possessive adjective because it is claiming the ownership. It is telling that this cat belongs to someone, right? By the words my, his, only we can say that this belongs to somebody. In the third sentence, our job is almost done. Whose job? Job is a noun. Whose job? Our job. So here, our will become your possessive adjective, where it is saying that the job belongs to someone. Next, her books are interesting. Whose books? Her books. Books is a noun, as we all know that. It is giving us more information about those books. What information? Those books belongs to someone. Who it belongs to whom? Her books. Her books are interesting. In our previous sessions, we have learnt about the pronouns concept, right? What are pronouns, children? We use pronouns to replace the nouns. We use pronouns to replace the nouns. What are those pronouns? I, you, we, he, she, it, they, their. All these are pronouns, right? As we have learnt that I is the first person. You is the second person. He, she, it is the third person, right? For I, the plural form is we. And for you, the plural form doesn't change, whereas it remains the same as you. For he, she and it, the plural form will be they, because the first person and the second person are talking about the third person, that is they. So to show the possession towards the nouns or towards the things, I will be changed to my. Instead of saying or using the names of the people or the names of the particular nouns, we use these possessive words like my, your, his, her, its, our, your and their. As you know the gender difference, like he is used for masculine, that is for boys. We use his to show the possession towards the noun. In the same way, for she, we use her. For it, we use its. As we have learned that it is used for for animals and places or things. The plural form we is used as our, where we say this is our house. To tell about the second person, that is you, the plural form. We say like this: this is your house. Right, children? Or else it is their house. So, by using these words like my, your, his, her, its, our, your,